Do you like to travel by car?
Yes, I like to travel by a car, and in fact, I use car in my daily life also. Where I have to go to my institute and somewhere in bazaar.
All right, so to answer your question, I would say car is my favorite mode of transportation.
Okay.
कम चुक के रखो थोड़ा ये.
When do you travel by car?
Sometimes whenever I have to go on a 2 or 3 hours journey, I use my car, and also whenever I have to go to another city, I use my car. To answer your question, I use my car often.
Okay, this is very good. Keep it up. Let's go on.
Where is the farthest place you have traveled by car?
Farthest means longest. Yeah.
The farthest place last year I went to China border, and it was about 3 days of traveling, and I cover 900 kilometers on my car. So it was a very nice trip also, and that road trip in my car fascinates me a lot.
Fascinated me a lot,
Okay.
because it's all past tense. Okay, that trip fascinated me a lot. So that was the longest journey I covered by car. Overall, your understanding of the questions, that is good. Even the content of your answer is fine, but you just need more and more practice.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.